Hi, it's Rich here again from North Roast Coffee with a promised update on the new roastery. So we got the new flooring in on the mezzanine. It looks fantastic. We've been able to start moving some products up there, some items up top, and then as well the gas meter. The one we've been waiting 5 months for, actually almost 6 months now, was installed yesterday. And so we had the gas fitters here doing the hookup for the 30-kilo roaster, fired it up, tested it, awesome, everything sounds smooth like a sewing machine. And then one of the control buttons broke. So I had to shut it down, and now I'm in contact with an individual who actually wired the panel, and hopefully we'll get that replacement button midweek, hopefully midweek, because I'd like to start doing the sort of test roast to tune the machine and make sure that it's sort of hitting the benchmarks that we use for our roasting. So another item, we got some of the decorative framed coffee bags up on the wall and starting to clear the place out of some of the construction material and so we can put things where they belong. So very productive week, we got a lot done, but we're painfully close, and trust me, as soon as that roaster is tuned and working properly, those doors will be open. So thanks for checking in, and if you have any questions, throw it in the comments. Okay, thanks.